What's up, everybody? Today we are going to take the dogs out. We've shown you downtown Georgetown before, but today I want to show you some things that you can do out in nature here in Georgetown, Texas. You got a beautiful river, and there's a lot of cool hiking trails and a lot of cool views that you can experience if you don't know about it yet. So today we're going to take you along, and we're going to let you check it out. Alright, this is Ranger, and this is Stinky. Yeah. Alright, boys. Oh.
Okay, let's go. Thanks. And you can just click the lock button on that.
I got it.
Thanks. Alright, boys. Stinky, that's the wrong way. Stinky, that's the wrong way. Stinky, that's the wrong way. Stinky, that's the wrong way.
This thing ain't locking.
Just press lock. Stop pulling it so hard.
It won't lock.
Alright. Dude.
Is this new?
You idiot. Come on. You got room back here? Oh, this paint. What are all these papers doing? Alright, get in the car. Go. Good boy. Just a couple of fatties. So we are at Booty Park. This is, it is literally Booty Park. So it's like booty like your butt. But this is, I live honestly about maybe 2 miles away from this in Georgetown. And Georgetown is so unique in that there's a trail that goes all the way out from Lake Georgetown, which is honestly like a quarter mile down the trail that way. It goes all the way from Lake Georgetown down to basically downtown Georgetown, where San Gabriel Park, which is our next stop. And this is cool. It's a paved trail. There's some portions that are like crushed granite. There's some portions that are paved asphalt, but it's great for people riding a bike. I run this trail all the time, bring the dogs out here, which is what we're doing now. And the San Gabriel River runs all the way along it. So that's why it's called the San Gabriel Trail. And it goes all the way out to the trail, or to the lake, excuse me. And you can go swimming in different areas of the river, and then obviously out to the lake you can go swimming too, and bring these cute guys. Not him, but these two cute guys.
Got Ranger and Stinky.
Stinky Stanley is the stinkiest of all the dogs.
And how many miles do you run out here?
So the trail itself, I think, is like 8 miles long in total, but you can run any amount of that or go off the trail, whatever you want to do. It's
hot right now, and parts of the San Gabriel River, which we're going to show you soon, you can actually get in, go swimming.
Yep.
It's not Barton Springs, but I think it's almost just as good. Not a lot of people, so.
Yeah, for sure. And like, this is the cool thing about the suburbs of Austin, us being in Georgetown now, is that, like, yes, in Austin you have Lake Austin, Lake Travis, all that stuff, but there are plenty of areas in the suburbs, like here in Georgetown, where you can get the same exact thing, and a lot of times it's less crowded. Honestly, right now we're one of 4 people out here. So we'll see you guys at the next stop.
Alright guys, so here we are. We are on Scenic and 4th Street here in downtown Georgetown, and this is my favorite spot to enter the San Gabriel River and the trail. Due to the fact that you're right in the middle. You can get to the blue hole going this way in a matter of minutes, and you can walk down the trail downhill that way to get some cool views. So we're gonna come and show you some of those right now.
Yeah, wait, oh, don't hit the camera. This is the weirdest spot. I've lived in Georgetown for years, never seen this spot. Alex wants to take me on some Blair Witch Project escape through the trail, so here we go.
He's obviously not a local.
Oh, he was like...
I always love to come and just take a second to get away from everything, take a few deep breaths, and be out here in nature. If you look out this way, this is going down the San Gabriel River towards I-35. Heading back this way is towards the Blue Hole, which we'll show you guys here soon. But down here, the river this way is a good spot for you to get in closer to the water. We bring our paddleboard down here sometimes and cool off in the San Gabriel River. And there's a lot of cool cliffs and little things to check out. So, all right guys, so we are a little bit further down the trail heading towards I-35. And this is one of the higher points of the trail to overlook the San Gabriel River. This is not a place to go cliff diving. The water is about 3 to 5 feet in depth down there, so don't try jumping. But this is a cool place to come and get a really cool view. This is my favorite view here on the trail. Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna walk down this way towards the Blue Hole and show you guys what the Blue Hole is all about. All right guys, look who we ran into on the trail. This is Gia. She loves the San Gabriel Trail and the river. So we are about to make our way down to the Blue Hole. It's hot out here, so we had to stop and get these little dogs some water, but we're almost there. Alright guys, so we're here at the Blue Hole. This is a part of the San Gabriel River where it kind of dams up over here, and there's a little waterfall that we got going on. A lot of people come out here and they barbecue. We got some grills where you can cook some food. People set up tents, hang out. Great place to come swimming in some natural waters. And then the San Gabriel River heads down a little further that way as well and continues. But this is just a great spot to come and enjoy. It's really hot. It's probably like 100 degrees right now, close to it, Texas heat. But this is a place to come and enjoy some water, walk some trails, take the dogs, let them cool off. And then we're right next to downtown Georgetown. So if you haven't seen all the good places to go in downtown Georgetown, check out this vlog right here that we did in the past to show all the good bars and places to eat and places to hang out there. But we're gonna finish up here, let the dogs hang out, swim around a little bit, head back up the trail towards the cars and head home. So thanks again for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna show you some more outdoor spots around here in Austin and the suburbs. Today was Georgetown. We may go to Barton Springs next, but we want to show y'all not only the places to go and enjoy in the city and downtown, places to eat, and places to go out and drink and enjoy a good time there, but we also want to show you all the beautiful spots that the Austin and Opportunity City has to offer in terms of being out in nature. So till then, see you next time. Thanks for tuning in.